This is my nail polish collection, and I want to downsize it. So how did I do for Q3? And the one I used the most is this coral one from YSL. I've used it 4 times on my fingernails and 2 times on my toenails. So I made quite a bit of progress, but it's still not finished and I don't know if I can finish it before the end of the year. I like the color, but not necessarily the quality of the polish itself. And I'm not sure that I want to force myself to use it enough to finish it before the end of the year. But if I don't finish it, at least it will be well groomed to be finished next year. Next we have Neon Fest from Rimmel. I've used it 1 time on my hands and 1 time on my toes. I was able to make a new mark not too far below the previous one. I like it a lot, but I don't know if I will use it again this year because I want to focus on the polishes that I haven't used at all and on the ones that I could finish. And as you can see, this one is not ready to be finished. After that, we have this blue one in the shade Skinny Deep from the brand Nailkind. I've only used it once. It was for a manicure and it's really surprising how the first coat is super see-through and how the second one is really opaque. And I finally was able to make a mark on this one. Even though it's not the first time that I'm using it, it was too close to the top of the bottle to make sense to make a mark. The next one is the shade that I have on my nails today. It's from Golden Rose. It's the Ice Color number 131 and I've also used this one only 1 time on my fingernails. I've learned that it could be great to seal the edge of the nail before you paint the whole nail instead of doing it at the end. The first time I tried to do that, it was pretty messy and I tried again with this one and I think that I made progress, but it's still not perfect. I have to say I don't really see a difference. Maybe it's because I'm not that good at doing it, so I have to do it better for it to work. And also it's already freezing here, and when I applied this polish I was so cold that I did this and there was all the pattern of the fabric embossed in the polish, although it had been drying for a good hour. So I'm not really pleased with that. Of course I wasn't wearing a top coat, so maybe it's also my fault, but after 1 hour of drying I was expecting more. But I still like this color and I'm still gonna use this one this autumn. Now let's talk about empties. The 4 polishes that I've just shown you are the polishes that I wore these past 3 months. And as you've already seen, none of them is empty. However, I've finished my nail care product. Usually I talk about this product at the end of the video because it's not the funniest product, but I'm really happy to have finished it. I only had to use it 8 more times on my fingernails and 4 more times on my toenails, but it took me 2 years of project planning to finish it, so I'm really pleased to see it finally empty. And the other empty is this one from Sephora collection in the shade Gothic. So I've not used it on my nails. I think I already told you that I'm using it to make marks on certain project pan items. And I've noticed that even to make the smallest mark on a product, I have to dip like 3 times in the bottle to get enough polish to do this little mark. So there's no way that I can paint my nails with it. I don't know if I managed to use it just by marking project pan items or if it dried out or what, but nonetheless it's not usable anymore. I'm gonna use it to mark products as long as I can, and I won't count it as one of the 5 polishes that I want to finish this year. It wouldn't be fair, but just know that it's another polish out of my collection. And we're left with 2 teams of polishes. The first one is the team I haven't used you and I have to use you before the end of the year. So there is this silver one. To be frank, I think I'll only use it once. There's this white one and I don't think I will use it a lot either. And it's the same with this silver pen. As long as I'm using it once, I'll be happy. And there's also this deep pink in the shade Dinner for Two from Sephora collection. I've used several bottles of this shade, so needless to say that I love it, and I'm planning on finishing it before the end of the year, and it wouldn't be too difficult because, as you can see, there's not that much left in the bottle. And the second theme is the theme I've already used you and I don't know if I will use you again. There's this gold one. If you remember, I was already over the moon to have managed to use it once, so there's a good chance that I don't use this one anymore. Although gold could be fun for Christmas time, but I really don't find it flattering against my skin tone. There's this I Lilac You from Essence that I like a lot, but it's not really a shade that I wear in autumn and winter, so I don't know, maybe I lose it. And lastly, we have Cherry Sin from Maybelline, and I think that I will use it again this year, but it's very full and it's very liquidy, and I feel like I use less product with this one than with all the other nail polishes, so of course it won't be a polish that will be finished before the end of the year. And really, I don't know how I will manage to reach my goal because I've only finished 3 polishes so far. I'm sure that I can finish this one, but now that I've lost this polish that was also nearly empty, I have no idea which one I could finish in its place. I guess my best bets are the gold one, but as you know, I don't like it. There's the coral one, but I've already worn it a lot and it would probably be a chore to finish it this year. And maybe the one I'm wearing today, since it's a very small bottle, but it's a nearly new small bottle, so I don't know. We'll all find out in the next video. That will also be the finale.